our peppered snails and fries today, we're going to be making use of vegetable oil, seasoning like curry powder, salt, seasoning cube. We're going to be making use of onion, mini snails. I have my yam and potato already cut and washed here, and then I have my roughly blended tomato, Scotch bonnet, and bell pepper and onion here. So to boil the snail, we're going to put it in a pot and cover it completely with water. Unlike other proteins, you have to cover this with water, and then you're going to season with stock cubes and salt. Be sure not to over season snails because the snails tend to take in too much seasoning, and before you know, they taste like they have too much seasoning in them. And that's because the texture of snail is rather thick, and it doesn't absorb seasoning like chicken and the rest of the other proteins do. You cover it with enough water, and then you cover the allow to cook for like 20 to 30 minutes. Be sure to always come back to check and top up more water if necessary. Snail is cooking. We'll go ahead to proceed with making the sauce, our pepper sauce for the snail. We'll have a generous amount of vegetable oil. So we're going to have half the onion slices, remaining half of the use to garnish later. Then stir fry. Now when the onion has sauteed for about 3 minutes, we'll add our blended pepper. I know some of you will be wondering how I came about today's menu. So Valentine is around the corner, and I was talking to a friend of mine, a married friend of mine, and she was like, I don't know what I'm going to make for my husband this Valentine. You know that January we just paid children's fees, our rent was due. I just need something low budget that will not cost so much, and I'm tired of the rice and everything. So I told her, why not do peppered snail? I remember making it some time ago, and it didn't cost so much, but it was really nice. And she was like, snails are really expensive now. I told her, well, snails are expensive, but if you don't mind, you can buy the really small ones, the mini snails. Snails are actually expensive because it's not the rainy season yet. So you just saute the snails, then you serve with maybe sweet potato, Irish potato, yam, plantain, whatever fries you would like, you know. So yeah, that's how this came about. So you can serve this to your babe or your boo. Just allow this fry for another 10 to 12 minutes. So now we're going to season our sauce. Stock cubes, salt, curry powder. I think I didn't show you guys thyme when I was explaining the ingredients. I'm going to add a bit of thyme, and then I have my all-purpose chicken seasoning. We're going to add that too, and then we're going to stir. After which we'll check on our snail and see how it is cooking. Okay, our snails are still cooking fine. We still have like 10 minutes or thereabouts. Yes, our sauce is ready. You can know that the sauce is ready when the oil begins to float to the top, and then you taste it. You've corrected the seasoning, your seasoning is fine, and then you feel it has this somewhat dry look here. So our sauce is ready. We're going to set this aside and now begin to fry our yam and potato slices. So yes, our snail is ready. Our snail is very ready. Now you can use jumbo snails, that's the very big snails. I couldn't use that because that one was very expensive. So we'll get this off, and then we'll return our pepper. So here's our sauce. I have reduced the quantity of this sauce because some of it will be used as dip, as dip for the fried yam or for our fries. So now we're going to add our snails to the sauce. We're going to stir it in. We don't have to cover. We just stir it in and allow it to sit and soak in as much of this pepper sauce as possible. Now we're going to reduce the heat and allow it, to fry under medium to low heat. We'll leave this in for about 10 minutes. So here we have our peppered snail with fries. I have some ketchup by the side for some people who don't want to eat it, have their fries with the sauce. Remember, this is Valentine. Show yourself some love. Gloria is talking about bay and boo only. I don't have one. No problem. Show yourself some love. Remember to try out this recipe and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed to my channel thus far. Thank you for those who keep sharing and commenting and liking. For those of you who have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Turn on your notification. Until next time, I remain your favorite girl, Chef Ochi. Thank you for watching and happy Valentine. I love you all.